Oh!
Can I hear it, Fred?
Yeah! Oh, there it is. A locust tree, too. Dude, it went back in the air. I'm right there, and the fire is headed my way. Right there, here it comes. Wow, we still got a lot of area to go, though. I don't know if you could see that.
All this?
Yeah.
Let's light it up.
Yeah, I think
We can keep going. I mean, it's only 11:14, so you know we're good. But the wind died down a little bit.
Yeah, it sure did.
Go figure. When we got started on this corner over here, the most fuel in the corner.
Hey guys, welcome to Kapper Outdoors. If you are new to the channel, we keep it real here, and today is another one, a fun one, and a bonus video. So we are out doing a prescribed burn on our farm here in southern Missouri, and I got my DJI Mini 3 Pro drone up, but I've been switching it back and forth from sport mode to normal mode. And in normal mode, it has side sensors and rear or lower sensors, and you're gonna see here I crashed right into a tree. I'm not gonna say the sensors didn't work, because as you'll hear, right as I was drifting into that nasty locust tree down there, the sensors started beeping at me, but it was too late. I got into the tree and it tumbled all the way down to the ground. I've not had a drone crash survive like this yet. I've crashed like 5 maybe. Don't hold me to that, but yes, I have, unfortunately, over the years. But this one was special. This is a tough little drone, and it's going to go back in the air right after I get it off of the ground. Just a little bit of damage, but let's see how it's going to fly when it gets recovered. All right, Mike is going to start a flanking line. Oh!
Can I hear it, Fred?
Yeah. Oh!
Can I hear it, Fred?
Yeah! I gotta get that card. So my first priority is to get the drone so I can get the SD card, at least recover the footage. You see the fire over here on the left? Well, it's working its way right to this tree I'm stuck in, and I was hoping it wasn't stuck 15 foot up in the tree. So that's why I'm hustling to get this drone, at least so I could recover the SD card. There it is. A locust tree, too. Oh, this tough little buzzard. DJI, let's see if it'll go back up. See if the gimbal still works. It does. It's acting wonky. Darn it. Well, it still flies. All right, so this is what was really, it was really cool but weird. So it wasn't flying right at first. It was acting really wonky. It's almost like it like self-healed. I'm not kidding. It's just how it felt, as you're going to see in a minute. I couldn't get it to do much. The gimbal, the camera wasn't acting right. And then all like after 30 seconds, it like reset and boom, back in business. Yeah, the sensors did not pick up that tree. I might have snuck out with a bonus win. We'll see how it does. I mean, it's recording. Well, I better get out of my fire here. Here, I'll show you where I'm at. I'm right there. And the fire is headed my way. Right there, here it comes. Alright, let me get the drone back. So if it does fall, I mean, it seems to be working. I'm gonna do another quick perimeter check with the drone. All right, so I flew it for a while yet. I actually brought it in. The battery went dead. I landed it. Oh, it's flying pretty good now. Whoa!
Toured on 22K.
Put a new battery in, ran it back up, and as you can see here, the video is as clear as the other. Everything seems to work. The only damage that I noticed on it was one of the props. You know, the end was kind of busted a little bit, but I'm pretty sure I got extra props. So, man, this thing's indestructible. It survived a crash with a locust tree, which is a very hard wood to begin with. Very unforgiving, with very long 2-3 inch hard spikes, and it crashed at the top and it fell all the way down to the bottom and survived it. So I'm a happy camper today. This was a great bonus for me. Just sweet. So all right, thanks. Have a great evening. I'll catch you hopefully on a future video. Dude, it went back in the air. I think I might have lucked out.
I thought I heard it hit that.
Oh, it did. It crashed in that locust and crashed all the way down.
You got much experience with them locusts?
I hate them. Oh, it's flying pretty good now.